I'm right in the Ecuadorian forest here. This is the coastal side of the Andes. It's very lush. Okay. How long did it take you?
Yeah, 40 minutes.
40 minutes, so not that bad.
Yeah.
There's a little cascade here. We've got a lookout point here. Right in front of us is a bromeliad growing from an old tree fern stalk. We've got an open section here. I'm particularly interested in the one with the purple flowers, the melastomas. They're one of my favourites from around here, but there's so many different varieties of everything here. Heliconias down there. You've got bromeliads growing in off the trees here. Anthuriums of some sort. Just full of stuff we would normally want to put in our house. I'd say this could be something from the begonia family. There's plenty of stuff like this here. But anyway, we've come to a decent cascade. Here it is. We've got fresh water for everyone right there. Possible I found my first relative of the gimpy stinging tree. This is called Pringamosa here in South America. The stinging lover. This is the start of the waterfalls here. Got a lot of force behind it. There's another cascade right above it. I wonder what else is above that. Normally what we do, but hard to get up. I just wanted to point out around here, these are called cloud forests. So the moist air coming from the Pacific gets trapped up here and it's always cloudy. So there's some up there. It might rain on us sooner or later. You know, some nice flowers here. Interesting. Cool cascade from here. Don't know how close I can get to this because I've got to go in the water. There's some down here as well. Here's the second one. This is Hummingbird Falls. Got to go up again. One of these falls or cascades. Been on the last fall because it's raining on us. This one I think is called Mindo.